How do I get started with company? Download any crypto exchange on your smartphone. Buy cryptocurrency token with bank transfer or in cash in your exchange. Through exchange, convert your existing cryptocurrency into Tesla token. Open www.teslatoken.uk. Register yourself with any existing sponsor. Sign in with your ID and password to company website www.teslatoken.uk. Top up your ID with $60 or in multiple of $60 worth Tesla tokens. The staking process gets completed. How do I introduce new members to company? Sign in to company website and from your ID page, copy the sponsor link and forward the same to person whom you want to introduce to this project. The new entrant needs to copy link to web browser and press enter button. The new entrant shall then register himself with providing details asked for registration. He shall then have to repeat the process as mentioned in step 1. How do I create binary income? The binary income starts when you introduce one new ID of minimum $60 worth of Tesla tokens on your left and one new ID of minimum $60 worth Tesla tokens on right side. What if my left side ID works smartly and right side ID is slow in introducing new structure? Will I lose the benefits of binary or has a scope to catch up later? The benefits of creating structure is never lost. You will be able to get all binary benefits at any stage of working provided the binary structure is balanced 1:1. What is scope of maximum earning on my single ID? The maximum scope to earn on single ID is 350% of your investment on that ID. The 350% of your investment includes all income generated excluding binary income. The binary income has a threshold of $3,500 per day on single digit. What happens when my ID reaches the 350% payout threshold? Will it get deleted? The IDs which reaches to 350% of investment shall remain active but the staking shall cease to be paid. One need to re-top up that particular ID with fresh top-up of minimum $60 worth Tesla tokens or multiples thereof. The intermediate period from the time when threshold was reached until the time of re-top up, all accumulated bonus shall lapse. Any working benefits which were generated during that period shall lapse. What is my growth path? Once you become a stakeholder, your immediate target should be to introduce 2 direct member ID on left side and 2 direct member on right side within 7 days of your ID top-up date. You would then qualify to enjoy benefits of STAR. The STAR gets additional income of $2 per pair on weekly basis along with self-ID staking payout. Once you are clear about the definition of STAR, then you look beyond and work with your team to create more stars under your ID. The next target after becoming STAR to become a bronze star. For that you need to have a network of 200 stars pair under your ID. Simply to say, a network of 200 stars on left and 200 stars on right side of your ID. These 200 pairs of stars could be directly sponsored or sponsored through your team. Thereafter, your next target should be qualify as silver star. For that, you need to create a network of 500 pairs of star, example 500 stars on your left side and 500 stars on right side. On qualifying as bronze star, you shall be paid additional income on weekly basis along with your staking payout. Your next goal should to be qualify as gold star. To become a gold star, you need to create a network of 1000 stars on your left and 1000 stars on your right side. Once you qualify as gold star, your weekly payout get enhanced, explained separately. Thereafter, to qualify as platinum star, you need to create a network consisting of 5000 stars on left hand side and 5000 stars on right hand side. Next goal is to qualify as diamond star. To qualify as diamond star, your network should have 10,000 stars on left hand side and 10,000 stars on right hand side. Finally, the aim should to become double diamond star. For to become double diamond star, your network should have 25,000 stars on left hand side and 25,000 stars on right hand side. What is alternate modes of growth if I fail to qualify as star? There are alternate modes of growth after having become star or missed becoming a star. The next level of promotion is as captain after being a stake partner. To qualify as captain, you would be required to sponsor 10 direct stake partners on left hand side and 10 direct stake partners on right hand side. Once you qualify as captain, then look ahead to become a champion. To qualify as champion, you would be required to create a network of 10 captains. The qualifying criteria of captain is explained above in point 8b. Going forward, your ultimate aim should to be qualify as ambassador. Exceptional achievers should be rewarded exceptionally. To qualify as ambassador, one should create a team of 10 champions explained above in point 8c in different legs. Is binary working bonus paid immediately or on weekly basis? It gets credited immediately in your e-wallet. What bonus are paid daily and what bonus are paid weekly? All accumulated payouts shall be credited to e-wallet, which can be withdrawn to your wallet address posted by you on company website once in a week. In what form shall we be receiving payouts? The payouts shall be paid in cryptocurrency. You shall be informed of the weekday wherein you have to log into company website and make a withdrawal request. After the withdrawal request, you shall get the credit of withdrawal in your wallet receiving address updated by you on the website in next 24 hours. Be very careful to check and recheck your updated wallet address at the time of making withdrawal request. No one except you shall be responsible if there is any wrong updation of receiving address. What happens to my staking investment after 365 days lock-in period gets over? You shall be able to withdraw the investment but in phases as directed by policy of the company. Is this Tesla token tradable? Yes, as we grow big as a team, the company plans to tie up to big time chains of hotel industry, automobile, multiplex, malls, store, etc. to make it tradable. Meanwhile, Tesla tokens shall be listed on multiple exchanges for conversion into other cryptocurrencies. What are the ways I can maximize my returns? First and foremost, your aim should be to work achieving at star or captain qualification within first 7 days of your ID top-up. You would enhance your chances of maximizing the returns. Details of payout associated with star or captain qualification shall be explained to you by your sponsor or upline leaders. Explain me in short my investment versus returns by qualifying as star or captain within first 7 days of top up as suggested in point number 14. First, remember to qualify as star, you must have 2 direct sponsor IDs on left and 2 direct sponsored IDs right side of your top ID. To qualify as captain, you must have 10 direct sponsored IDs on left hand side and right hand side each. Each of the direct sponsored IDs must be topped up with minimum $60 or multiple thereof. If you qualify to be a star in first 7 days, your investment would be $300. The anticipated returns to you shall be around $728 assured plus anticipated token appreciation. If calculated at 5 times, shall be around $1,500 plus binary income for downline network created as team grows. If you qualify as captain within first 7 days, your investment shall be $1,260. The anticipated returns $2,240 assured plus anticipated token appreciation. If calculated at 5 times, shall be around $6,300. Above calculations are based on payout spreads over 365 days, include staking payouts and referral payouts plus monthly fixed income for captains. Happy hunting time! Should you any queries over and above, do attend Zoom meetings or raise your queries to your upline for answers.